Namaste everyone, welcome to part 2 of Nepali language learning for beginner level. First of all, I want to thank you all for showering us so much love and support in part 1. This course is the extended version of part 1 where I will teach sentence in little longer way as Nepali people speak in longer way and very quickly. So in this course you will learn about different grammatical structure which you can use quickly after you complete this session in your daily life. If you have little knowledge on this language, then you can enroll in this course. But if you are new to this language, then I recommend you to go through the part 1 of this course and then enroll in this part 2 course. If you enjoy this video, then please enroll in our course and the link is given below in the description box. Now, without any delay, let's quickly jump into our course. Namaste everyone, welcome to session 1 of part 2. We will be learning about the extended form of Man Parcha and Man Pardaina. If you have enrolled in my part 1 course, you might be already familiar with the structure. In the part 1, we have learned Man Parcha, Man Pardaina together with the object, whereas in this session, we will be learning Man Parcha, Man Pardaina together with the verb. So let's continue. You can see the structure for like and don't like over here on the screen. We will start the sentence with subject plus lie followed by object and the verb should be in the now form. If you want to say like, you can use Man Parcha, and if you want to say don't like, you can use Man Pardaina. Now, let's come in the beginning part of the structure. Over here, we have used subject plus lie. This is because of the verb Man Parcha and Man Pardaina. In Nepali language, we do have a rule where it says whenever the sentence starts with the feeling verb, in that case, you have to start the sentence with subject plus lie, adding lie with the subject. We have a lot of feeling verb such as lagnu, which means to feel, dukhnu, which means pain, Man Parcha, which means to like. Over here, we are using Man Parcha and Man Pardaina. Now let's move ahead. Let's use the object fruits, which is falful, 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 falful. Now let's use this object in the sentence. Again, let's revise structure for this grammar. Subject plus lie, object, verb in the now form, Man Parcha. Over here, we are using the verb to eat, which means khanu, fruits as an object, falful, and the subject is I, ma. Since Man Parcha is feeling verb, so we will change ma to malai. Malai, falful khana, Man Parcha. Malai, falful khana, Man Parcha. You can compare this sentence with the structure given above. Subject plus lie, malai. Object, falful. Verb, khana. The verb is khanu, but we have got the nu and added na based on this structure, khana and Man Parcha, which means to like. Malai, falful khana, Man Parcha. Malai, falful khana, Man Parcha. I like to eat fruits. Now let's learn how to say I don't like to eat fruits. For this sentence, you can just remove Man Parcha and substitute it with Man Pardaina. Malai, falful khana, Man Pardaina. Malai, falful khana, Man Pardaina. Again, subject plus lie, malai. Object, falful. Verb in the na form, khana. Man Pardaina means don't like. Now, let's learn some more example. For next example, let's take movies as an object, which is chalchitra in Nepali. Chalchitra, chalchitra, chalchitra. Now, can you try to say, I like to watch movies based on the structure shown here and with the hints given below? You can pause the video and try. Okay, let's see what the answer is. मलाई चलचित्र हेर्न मन पर्छ. Subject plus लाई मलाई. Object चलचित्र. Verb in the now form. To watch is हेर्नु. We have cut out nu and added na. And finally the verb becomes हेर्न and मन पर्छ, which means to like. मलाई चलचित्र हेर्न मन पर्छ. मलाई चलचित्र हेर्न मन पर्छ. I like to watch movies. Now, can you try to say I don't like to watch movies by using the structure given over here and with the hint given below? Okay, and the answer is मलाई चलचित्र हेर्न मन पर्दैन. मलाई चलचित्र हेर्न मन पर्दैन. मलाई चलचित्र हेर्न मन पर्दैन. Isn't it very easy? You can just put the sentence in the structure shown over here and with the hint given over here. You can try to make this kind of sentence with a multiple verb and object that you know. Now, let's use another object, bicycle. Bicycle in Nepali is cycle. 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 Now, can you try to translate this sentence into Nepali on your own with the structure given over here and with the hint given over here? I hope you made the answer correct. Now please follow after me. Wahalai cycle चलाउन मन पर्छ. Wahalai cycle चलाउन मन पर्छ. Wahalai cycle चलाउन मन पर्छ. He likes to ride bicycle. Here I have changed the subject from I to he. And he means waha and we have added lai as per the rule. If you have already enrolled in part 1, it will be very easier for you to know about different kind of subject we use in Nepali language. We have a hierarchy system where we will use different subject based on the elder and younger form. If you have not, please feel free to enroll in the part 1. Now, can you try to translate he doesn't like to ride bicycle? And yes, the sentence is Wahalai cycle चलाउन मन पर्दैन. Wahalai cycle चलाउन मन पर्दैन. Wahalai cycle चलाउन मन पर्दैन. He doesn't like to ride bicycle. Now let's use the object Nepali language. Language in Nepali is भाषा. 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 Nepali भाषा. Now please try to translate this sentence on your own. And the answer is Wahalai Nepali भाषा सिक्न मन पर्छ. Wahalai Nepali भाषा सिक्न मन पर्छ. Wahalai Nepali भाषा सिक्न मन पर्छ. He likes to learn Nepali language. Now without any delay, can you please try to translate he doesn't like to learn Nepali language on your own? Yes, and the answer is Wahalai Nepali भाषा सिक्न मन पर्दैन. Wahalai Nepali भाषा सिक्न मन पर्दैन. Wahalai Nepali भाषा सिक्न मन पर्दैन. He doesn't like to learn Nepali language. Moving on to the next, let's use hiking. The word hiking in Nepali is hiking. It's very easy and simple. Hiking. Now, It's your turn. Can you please try to translate this sentence? You like to go hiking? Yes, and the answer is तिमीलाई hiking जान मन पर्छ. तिमीलाई hiking जान मन पर्छ. तिमीलाई hiking जान मन पर्छ. You like to go hiking. Isn't it very simple and easy? Now, let's translate the negative of this sentence. You don't like to go hiking. And the answer is तिमीलाई hiking जान मन पर्दैन. तिमीलाई hiking जान मन पर्दैन. तिमीलाई hiking जान मन पर्दैन. You don't like to go hiking. Now, let's use another object, tea. Chia. 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 Please try this. You like to drink tea. Okay, and the answer is तपाईलाई चिया पिउन मन पर्छ. 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 If you have noticed, in this sentence, we have changed our subject. Before, we have used तिमी as you, but over here, we have used तपाई. Now, once again, please remember the rule of hierarchy in Nepali. If you are talking to someone who is elder than you, you have to use तपाई, which means you. But for your friends or for someone who is younger than you, you can just use तिमी. तपाईलाई चिया पिउन मन पर्छ. You like to drink tea. Now, please try to translate you don't like to drink tea. हजुर, and the answer is तपाईलाई चिया पिउन मन पर्दैन. तपाईलाई चिया पिउन मन पर्दैन. तपाईलाई चिया पिउन मन पर्दैन. You don't like to drink tea. Now it's abhyas time, everyone. Abhyas means practice. Now, can you try to translate I like to watch movie? हजुर, and the answer is मलाई चलचित्र हेर्न मन पर्छ. Now next one, he doesn't like to ride bicycle. Come on, quickly. And the correct answer is उहाँलाई साइकल चलाउन मन पर्दैन. Now let's move on to the next sentence. You like to go hiking. Okay, and the answer is तिमीलाई hiking जान मन पर्छ, or you can also say तपाईलाई hiking जान मन पर्छ. Now it's time for another sentence. You don't like to drink coffee. Okay, and the answer is तपाईलाई coffee पिउन मन पर्दैन. Coffee in Nepali is coffee. We have done these all sentences in today's session. Let's have a quick review. मलाई दाल भात खान मन पर्छ. मलाई दाल भात खान मन पर्दैन. मलाई चलचित्र हेर्न मन पर्छ. मलाई चलचित्र हेर्न मन पर्दैन. उहाँलाई साइकल चलाउन मन पर्छ. उहाँलाई साइकल चलाउन मन पर्दैन. तिमीलाई हाइकिङ जान मन पर्छ. तिमीलाई हाइकिङ जान मन पर्दैन. तपाईलाई कफी पिउन मन पर्छ. तपाईलाई कफी पिउन मन पर्दैन? With this, thank you everyone. See you in the next session of part 2. Did you enjoy this video? If yes, then please do enroll in our course and the link is given below in the description box. Thank you everyone for your love and support. Namaste. See you soon in the next video.